So we got this iPhone 7 and it's not turning on. Let's open it up. We apply some heat and carefully pry it open. Ta-da! Let's take these off. Here goes the screen. We take the battery off. Let's also clean it with a toothbrush. Brand new battery. Brand new screen. It's powering on. And it's deactivated. Cool. Let's move the camera and home button. Let's move the Touch ID. And it's here now. Camera time. Carefully. Ooh. And let's put it together. And it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you want. Take care.